How to add credit or debit card in John Lewis app. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome for now. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you have to search for John Lewis login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. Well, it will be landing you on the official page of John Lewis. In order to add credit or debit card, first of all you have to log into your specific account. So in here, enter your username and the password of your specific account and then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be logged into your account. After that, head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then move into settings. Inside settings, head over to payment method. The option of add credit or debit card will be available to you. Click on it. One interface will pop up on your screen where you'll have to enter your credit or debit card details. Once you have entered all the necessary information, tap on save at the bottom and then your credit or debit card will be added successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card in John Lewis app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.